Where?
Nowhere. That's why we're trying to punish you. Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that. Remember, you can touch him. That's jellyfish!
Good. And I'll take
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games.
I wonder if clownfish taste why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a cute